Good morning, little explorers. Oh, my! Look, Dino, the baby dinosaur just woke up, and something is very, very strange. Everything is gray. The big, tall trees are gray, the fluffy clouds are gray, and even the sparkly river is all gray. Dino rubs his eyes. Where did all the beautiful colors go? This is so quiet and a little bit sad. Dino decides he must do something. He wiggles his little dino tail and sets off on an adventure to find the missing colors. Wait, what's that? Over by the big rock, Dino sees something amazing. 5 big buckets, each filled with a different, wonderful color. There's a bucket of bright, happy red, like a juicy strawberry. Next to it, a bucket of calm, cool blue, just like the big, big ocean. And look! Sunny yellow, like a warm summer day. Then there's leafy green, the color of tall trees, and royal purple, like a sparkly crown. Dino gets a fantastic idea. His little dino heart is beating with excitement. With a happy little roar, Dino starts his color dance. He dips his tail into the red paint and swish. A big red apple appears on a tree. Then, he splashes the blue paint with his feet. And whoosh, the sky turns a beautiful, brilliant blue again. He giggles and flicks his nose, sending yellow paint flying to make a big, bright sun. Splash! 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 Green covers the leaves, and purple makes pretty flowers pop up everywhere. The world is coming alive with color. Look at that! The forest is no longer gray. It's a rainbow of beautiful colors. All the other animals are peeking out. The birds start to sing. The bunnies hop with joy, and the butterflies flutter their colorful wings. They all cheer for Dino. Hooray for Dino! Hooray for the Rainbow Parade! Dino feels so proud and happy. He has brought all the joy and color back to his world. What a wonderful day! Dino waves his little Dino hand to all his new friends. He's so glad you could join his color adventure today. If you had fun painting the world with Dino, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow our channel for more fun stories and share it with your friends. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye for now.